जॉईंट प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स इतल्या खातीर घेतात कित्याक आमी पणजेकारांक अपील करूंक सोदतात आनी एक बारीक रिवायंड करून गोंयचे इतिहासाचे एक थोडे एक समरी दिवंक सोदता. हो सरकार जो आमी घडयलो हो सरकार गोंयकारपणाचो सरकार आशिल्लो आनी हो घडोवपाक आमचो मेन मुद्दो आशिल्लो की डिवेलपमेंट जावचो विदाउट कॉम्प्रोमायजींग ऑन सेक्युलरिझम एंड कम्युनल हार्मनी. आनी आमकां दिसलें की फक्त मनोहर पर्रीकर हो सरकार हेड करूंक शकता. ताजे खातीर ताका आमी दिल्लीच्यान गोंया हाडलो, डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर म्हणून रिजायन करून गोंयचो मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून ताका आमी हाडलो. आतां हो मुद्दो आशिल्लो सरकार घडोवपाचो. पणजेकार म्हणटाले तशें पळोवंक गेलें जाल्यार सोशियो पॉलिटिकल अवेरनेसान फामाद आहा. पणजेकारांनी पयलीं एराज सिकेर असल्या मनशाक निवडून दिला, माधव बीर असल्या मनशाक निवडून दिला. सो पणजेकार विचार करून मत मारतात हें सगळ्यांक खबर आहा. पणजेकारांक हें खबर आसा की द ओनली कॅन्डिडेट इन द 23rd August बाय इलेक्शन who can be chief minister is Manohar Parrikar. No other candidate can become chief minister. साधे इक्वेशन पयलीं चिंतपाची गरज आहा. आनी पणजेकारांक अशें एक खबर आहा की इट इज बेटर टू वोट फॉर अ कॅन्डिडेट हू इज मेड इन पेंजीम रेदर देन अ लास्ट मिनिट इम्पोर्ट. आतां काँग्रेस पार्टीन एक कितें फायट करपाक जाय म्हणून केल्ली आहा. तांकां सोशल मिडिया आनी मिडियान मातशी मदत दिवन ते खंय तरी आसाशें दिसता. पूण काँग्रेस पार्टीन एक्चुली पणजेकारांचो इन्सल्ट केल्लो आहा. दे हॅव इन्सल्टेड द रिस्पेक्ट एंड डिग्निटी ऑफ एवरी पेंजीम सिटीजन बिकॉज एवरी पेंजीम सिटीजन that they approached refused their party's nomination and therefore they had to fall back on this last minute import as the only option. Now Penjimites who know that this is the only person who can deliver because we have chosen him to deliver on development without compromising on secularism and communal harmony. Now here is a person who we have chosen and we have brought him to Goa. Now he has chosen Panjim as the constituency. Panjim is immediately getting the status of a most favored constituency status. International diplomacy is most favored nation status म्हणून आसता. तशें to our bad luck, Panjim will get that most favored constituency status. But being the capital city of the state, I think it deserves to be a city with which is modern, which preserves its heritage and yet is progressive with all the amenities which are needed for a modern city. Now in this background, Mr. Manohar Parrikar has spelled out his program to you, which is out in the public. As far as we are concerned, we feel that the Congress is, as usual, it is confused. काल आमचो बरो मित्र बाब रेजिनाल्डान गिरीशाचो एक ट्वीट हांवें पळयलो. रेजिनाल्ड सेज ऑल काँग्रेस MLAs are firmly with Girish and एक फोटो घाला. त्या फोटोन सातूच काँग्रेस आपल्याक दिसता. So this actually is an indicator of the confusion and the chaos that is there in Congress. Everybody knows how united the Congress is. Congress legislature party is, especially after their unity was tested for the presidential election, and it was found out how many are together. That way, Shantaram Naik has made a statement which has been reported by one internet newspaper from based in Goa, which says that we are sure Parrikar will lose, but he will not have a record-breaking margin on Parrikar himself. So this is indicative of it. The Congress manifesto says that we are going to save Mandavi, when actually it is this government which through concerted and consistent efforts in the Supreme Court has actually saved Madhavi, which is the mother of Mandavi. So Congress is not even knowing where to claim credit. So it is indicative of the confusion that it actually sees itself in. So म्हाका अशें दिसता की actually काँग्रेसीन इलेक्शनाक कॅन्डिडेटूच घालप नाशिल्लो. गोंयकारपणाचो सरकार कसलो तेय बी आमकां सपोर्ट करता. ते असेंब्लीन म्हणटात विजय सरदेसाय गोंयकारपण म्हणटा आमी आसा हें करपाक. कॅन्डिडेट घालो कित्याक? यू शुड हॅव हॅड अ लार्ज हार्ट. In 1991 in Nandayal, N.T. Ramarao, citing Telugu Bidda, gave N.T. Narasimha Rao almost a walkover, and he won by 5,80,000 votes, which went in the Guinness Book of World Records. ते भशेन Telugu Biddaचे परस stronger narrative गोंयकारपण आशिल्लो, and they could have actually done this and shown that they had a large heart, but they somehow want to have this because there is this business of elections. Some people benefit out of the business of elections. थोडे अळमी खरी हे पावसान येताच, पावस सारको पडना, पूण इलेसांवाची अळमी म्हणून सेपरेट आसतात, सो ती येवची पडटात. तशी थोडी आयिल्ली आहा. ती चड करून जे भोंवतात ते खंयच्या खंय पाविल्ले आहा. ते इवन तालिगांव मतदारसंघात कॅनवास करपाक पणजे म्हणून पाविल्ले आहा. So this is the actual confusion that one sees the Congress. And I believe that the Panjim voter knows and does not have to be told. Yet, we have come here to reaffirm our unstinted support to Mr. Manohar Parrikar. Because Parrikar was brought here to deliver development with communal harmony and secularism, but at the same time, he is a changed person now. He is willing to correct mistakes which people see as mistakes, certain steps taken by him or by his previous government, which has been seen by the coconut tree, which has been seen by the Kul Mudkar amendment. So, अशें दिसता की डिबेट आणि डिस्कशन करून बदलुपाची कॅपॅसिटी मनोहर पर्रीकर दाखयता. आणि ही इज द ओनली मॅन हू कॅन डिलिव्हर. दिस इज वॉट वी फील. Therefore, we are a disparate coalition of different political parties which have come under his leadership, and he is the only man who can become chief minister in this election. So, any choice नाही आहा. म्हणून आमचो एक अनस्टेंटेड सपोर्ट आम्ही एक्सप्रेस करपा खातीर हे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेता. इतल्यान जर कजिनो काडटा जाल्यार कजिनो आमी काडटात. कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्रामान आहा. काँग्रेस पार्टी कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम कॉपी करता. हाजे खातीर तांकां हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा, देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, कित्याक तांणी कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम कॉपी केल्लो आहा. मांडवींतलो लास्ट कजिनो जेन्ना भितर येतालो आनी जेन्ना हांवें प्रेस स्टेटमेंट हांगा काडिल्लो तुमचे फुडें की आयलो तो चूक म्हणून, इट शूड हॅव बीन चॅलेंज म्हणून, तेन्ना तांणी ट्वीट कितें केलें की उरिल्ले 5 कजिनो जे खाऊन हे ते कजिनो प्रपोज करता म्हणून. हाचो अर्थ कितें जाता? जाका बोर्ड आहा ताका कळटा की हो लास्ट कजिनो हाडपाक हे आशिल्ले म्हणून. अशें जालां न्ही? नाजाल्यार घालें कित्याक तशें की उरिल्ले 5 काय 6 कितें आहा ते तांचे कितें तरी बॅटिंग फॉर देम. वी आर ट्रायंग टू स्टॉप दीस वन म्हणून, which means that this one was your casino. In any case, that fellow was part of a Congress government in the past. So, अशें सगळे सिच्युएशनात कजिनो काडटले म्हणून ह्याक पणजे काडटले हाडिल्ल्याच आनी मारतात. काडटले आमी नाका, आमी काडटात तांकां.
Casino is real issue in Punjab election.
I don't think so. I don't think so. That is why maybe Manohar Parrikar has not said anything about it. But if it is an issue, it is an issue for Goa. People of Goa want to see a Mandavi without casinos. People of Goa would like to see a laser show like Hong Kong in the Mandavi. Why have casinos there? So this is what I feel. Not being a Panjimite, and I have got no right to speak for the people of Panjim because I am not representing them. But as a Goan, I feel that Congress is raising non-issues. It is bereft of issues, and it is working with the help of social activists who are basically mushrooms who emerge in the political scene during election.
As far as I'm concerned, I have said that I am at Goa. And I have clearly said that it is where the party is there, that we are. And it is very clear, I have given a clear indication to all my workers, whoever supported me in my last election, that we should wholeheartedly support Mr. Manohar Parrikar. Mr. Manohar Parrikar has not told me to campaign for him. But if he asked me to campaign, definitely I would. And as I said earlier also, Mr. Manohar Parrikar doesn't need anyone to campaign for him in Delhi. Mr. Manohar Parrikar himself is basically a man of station.
Do you think there are anti-incumbency forces within?
Sorry?
Do you think there are anti-incumbency forces within the?
See, first,
You also lost elections in a couple of votes.
see, I would like to tell you. See, I lost an election last time for a simple reason. I believe now is that Mr. Manohar Parrikar went around telling the people of Panjim that he will be coming back to Goa. So that so I am making Siddharth to contest here so that he will vacate the seat for. So on that assurance actually, Siddharth was elected. I feel so that this is the way how I look at my elections. So now, as Mr. Manohar Parrikar has come back, so I am sure that he is going to get overwhelming support by the margin what he is to win. I think last two elections he won by a margin of more than I think 5,000 odd votes in two elections. I think the same margin of much more than that he should get.
Sir, Vijay said that Parrikar has changed as of now. Looking at his last tenure, how do you comment on it?
Yeah, I always believe the biggest room in your house is the room for improvement. So it is if Mr. Vijay says that he has changed, and it is always a welcome change.
So
But you know, see, it is. I believe what you don't need to change. You need to deliver. And I feel he is in a position now, and he has seen the difficulties what the people of Belgium are facing. And as I was reading a newspaper today itself that there were certain issues which he mentioned. Main issues is not the casinos actually. I look at it. The main issue is the parking is the issue. People are feeling that the Mandovi river, basically the casinos are there because see, as far as parking is concerned, daytime you get parking, but night time you get parking. And especially this Fontaines area, that it is completely choked up. Say tomorrow if there is any untoward incident takes place, even for basically for ambulance to pass, you will not have it. So the Chief Minister has categorically stated yesterday that he will look into that issue immediately. I think that is the traffic is the major problem as far as Panjim is concerned. And I am sure that he will make efforts in fact
the freedom to write. Nobody can restrain anybody from writing. And this freedom is also should not be impeded. Everybody can write. But we believe that this fascism or whatever strain of the fascism she is talking about is not relevant anymore. See, when the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, one leader came and said here that we'll have a ban on beef consumption. We told him that we will have a ban on you, but not on beef consumption. And not only this, I said that I'm speaking not as myself, but as the government. This has been repeated by Manohar Parrikar in a week's time, from the time I spoke. So it goes to say that we are very clear that Moikarpad is the backbone of this government. So whatever fascism you are talking about has never been part of Moikarpad. So I don't think that, I think this is, trying to, it's hyperbole, exaggerate the situation. It's not like that.
Vijay, one issue is that Chief Minister in his Independence Day speech said that Independence Day speech, Chief Minister has said that drug trafficking in Goa are because of unemployment which has been how to look at it, and what is actual solution for it? Because yesterday there was a press conference for the Goa Forward.
So people require protection, they require some guarantee that what is being disclosed about this drug mafia will actually reach the powers that we and not the drug mafia itself. Which is why we have talked about forming squads in constituencies which are represented by MLAs of our party. One day I got this thing what has been reported today of the boy from Kerala breaking into somebody's house, breaking the glass, came to me at 2 o'clock in the night. So people are actually aggrieved with the social impact of the drug problem. And this drug industry's back should be broken. And to break it, everybody should be involved in it. So it could be because of unemployment, as Mr. Parrikar is saying. But the basic issue is that the mafia is making it reach the colleges, reach the schools. It has reached the hinterland of Goa today. So we will need a very strong effort to save Goa. We'll have to do it. Not only the image of Goa as a tourism destination, but also to save our next generation for posterity. Basically, to save Goenkars, we need to be united to break the back of the drug mafia.
But then there is no guarantee on police department.
There is guarantee on me. That I am not in league with the. That is why I say you tell me.
That's it, no? So there is no. Do you want to say that there is no guarantee of police department?
I am not saying anything. You are saying everything. I am saying what I am saying.
You also said that
I am saying what I am saying. You are making me stand in the court of law. It's not